Hello, I am going to give you a presentation of logic extensions. Logic extensions are a powerful tool that are relatively new to JD Edwards and can give you some great capabilities that would otherwise have to be done with a customization. Logic extensions are an inherent and organic part of the JD Edwards environment, and therefore doing a logic extension with an application is not a customization and would be protected for upgrades and other aspects of JD Edwards. So having said that, I will first give you a very simple requirement that can be met with a logic extension, and then in subsequent episodes we will show you exactly how to create this logic extension and then how to attach it to the application. In this particular case, what is expected, what is required, is that we have the ability to update the promised delivery date on, in this case, a purchase order. And let me show you how that was completed. I'm going into the details of a particular purchase order. And in this case, let's say that this line 1, which originally had a promised date of the 4th of January, needs to be extended. So if you're familiar with JD Edwards purchase orders, you'll see that this button on here is something new that was added as part of the logic extension process. And this enables us to call a logic extension and update the promised delivery date. Having done that, I select a row, click the button, and it will say how many days do we want to add to the requested date to provide the promised delivery date. By default, it's 5 days, so I'll leave it at the default and click OK. Now, I could go in and change it if I wanted to, but for this case, I'll leave it. And you'll see now that the promised delivery date has gone from the 4th. It was originally the same as the request date. It's gone 5 days later. It's now the 9th of January. This is a very simple logic extension, but what's important, I think, is to understand the mechanics of a logic extension. Once you get into a good understanding of that, then you can further explore all of the tremendous features that are inherent in the logic extension. Thank you.